Hey everybody, we're waiting in line. I forgot to break my camera out over an hour ago. I'm waiting in line here to finish up my stuff. I did pre-register, by the way, but I just didn't prepay. So I'm here in line with Ruthie. This fella, what's your name?
I'm Roger.
Hey Roger. Roger, you're on camera.
Subscribing.
How are you? Okay. Hey Roger. There's Elvis Barrington. There's BG. Hey, there's Mr. Inman right there. How you doing, man? Mr. Mark Batson and a fella from Louisiana over there. Rob. Rob brings Mr. Elvis Barrington to the show. Anyway, we're in line. The hotel, this is in the conference center, and the hotel's where all the guys hang out. So when we get done with that, I'll break the camera back out when we get back over there, and we'll have some fun. See some familiar faces. All right, anyway. Did I say Mr. BG's here? I don't know if I did or not. There he is. All right. There's my friend Hector standing right over there. Wayne Stevens. Not Wayne Stevens. I know Wayne Stevens. Wayne Webbers is over there. And this fella here, we're talking in line, he relatively lives close to me. Sort of. Probably within an hour or so. So anyway, fun times. Be right back. So we're eating. Got a little hospitality room set up here. And there's Fred. Fred. My friend from Toronto, Canada over there. He came all the way. He came all the way here just to see me. I'm just joking. There's Mrs. Batson, Mr. Batson, Mr. BG. And we're just having something to eat. And when I get done with this, we'll go back in there and talk to some model guys. I promise. All right. Can you do that? Thinking face?
I don't know how I didn't.
There it is. Hey guys, we're here in the, well, I would say hospitality room, but it's the main lobby of the hotel. It's really loud, and I've got Wes here. Wes is the announcer guy who does everything at ACME. He's the life of the party. What did you call it? A
circus. It's a three-ring circus. Yeah,
you're a barker.
I am Carney Barker.
Yeah, so he is the guy who, when you're here, keeps the life going. There's never like a dull moment at ACME, and
no.
that is what is so appealing about this place. And if you're not here this year, obviously, probably because you're watching this, but if you come next year, you'll get to hear this guy make all the announcements and give the awards out and make the people cheer and all this stuff.
Rah, rah, ree.
That's right.
Kick him in the knee.
And that's what's fun about this. So you come next year. If you didn't come this year, maybe you're just watching this and you said, oh, I was right next to you when you were making that video, Matthew. But anyway, wanted to just throw this out there. And he also has an '89 Corvette that's outside that looks brand new. And who owned it for?
Rick Mears. It was a courtesy car from Corvette for the '89 Indy 500.
Is that not cool?
And it was driven by Rick Mears.
Rick Mears, yeah. Rick Mears sat in the same driver's seat that he had.
He did.
That's too cool.
Anyway, it's great.
Hey, appreciate you.
Love you, brother.
All right. Appreciate you too.
Did you meet Rick?
So, this is like at the hotel. I don't get to stay here because I don't have a room here, but anyway. I waited too long. This is all this is so much nicer than the other hotel. Well, it's not even a comparison. This is a courtyard. Maybe next year Anyway, I see people coming out. What you got in those cups? What you got in those cups, sir? Anyway, all right, so sorry I sidetracked. Yeah, anyway, everybody's over here. Fred's doing his little live stream thing. He's doing a little live stream. Anyway, these people are on. What's weird is everybody is watching his live stream on their phone as he's doing the live stream, which is like you're moderator. So anyway,
Marcy's done.
Anyway.
She smells a lot. You know,
I guess I'm done with this video. I've talked with everybody. I always forget to do videos and stuff like that while I'm talking with them, but it'll be on tomorrow, and we'll do all the try to do some interviews of the builders and all that stuff. But if you haven't you've not been to an ACME show, you've got to. It's just like a party. So anyway, see you on the next video. I don't know if it'll be looking at the cars, talking to some builders, looking at the kits that they have for sale. I already went in the, matter of fact, this is the Clarence Brown Center here. This is the hotel, and this is the Clarence Brown Center. So it's just right there. It's literally, if you stay in this hotel, you're literally almost connected to it. And it's giant, big, giant room. And I already walked in there and saw some of the vendors setting up. It's insane. So you guys plan to come here if you don't have anything to do in the end of October 2024. Come to Atlanta, Georgia, or Cartersville, Georgia. Have you a good time. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to always check out HobbyNutModels.com. Don't forget to go check out the Facebook group. Thanks to my Patreon members and all that stuff. And then there's this guy. He used to go by the name of Mr. Anonymous, but he's not anonymous anymore. Say hey, Jeff.
Hello, everybody in England.
This is Jeff Elliott. Jeff's contributed to my channel as much as anybody, and I really appreciate him. He came all the way to Vermont just to see me. Can you believe it?
Yeah, unfortunately, I got stuck with Brian.
But then he got stuck over here with Brian. Some kind of Got Fuels model car garage guy.
Who's that guy?
I don't know. Who is it? Anyway, all my buds are here, and it's a lot of fun. So anyway, guys, hey, see you on the next video, and you guys take care. Bye. But I wouldn't want to end my video without my bud Tim Brown. He drove all the way from Indiana to see me.
Just to meet Matthew.
and then there's Dennis Smith and Rocky and that guy. He came with Rocky, so that makes him special. But anyway, it's a good time. This is a fun time. Anyway, it's a good time. All right, Rocky, say bye.
Bye.
See you, Dennis.
See you, buddy.
Would you like to say anything to Lucas C?
Man, you missing it, brother.
He is missing it.
Should have got on that trailer.
Next year.
Next year. Here and she could have just told him to
That's right. That's right.
We'd have given him a ride home.
Lucas C, there's always next year. We expect you to be here next year. He'll be here next year. All right, guys. Y'all take care. Go fund me. Let's get it started. All right. See you guys. Bye.